Hello guys, you use Samsung Galaxy A32. This version 3GB RAM memory and 64GB Intel memory. Look complectation. Device in the blue color. Look complectation to the device. In complectation they have adapter for charging and micro USB Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Okay. Device made of plastic, quad camera on the back side and LED, on the front side 6.4-inch display, front camera, this side power key and volume key, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Super AMOLED display, full HD resolution 90 Hz. Okay, very good display. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, MediaTek Helio G18, this CPU, 6 plus 2 cores, 1.8 and 2 GHz CPU speed. GPU Mali G752, resolution and display PPA. Look results. Single core score and multi-core score and GPU test results. Okay. Close this. Start demanded game Real Racing 3. Okay, and let's see gameplay. Wait, loading. Okay, game works perfect. Without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, game works perfect. Close this and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.